Do it again. Just a fucking smash.
Wait. No, do the seagull noise.
You should be stabbed in the fucking eye.
Do the seagull noise again. That's what she said.
Hold on.
Do it again. Josh.
Hello. Hello there.
Do it.
That's it. It's dead now.